Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. So in this video, we're going to take a look at a product that was sent out to me to take a look at. This is the QQH, this is the Z80A. This is one of their double monitors for a laptop. Now this is a 15-inch unit, so we're going to go ahead and unbox this, show you guys exactly what we get in the box. All right guys, first impressions, the box is very weighty, so you do get a lot in here from what I can tell. All right, so let's just go ahead and pop the seal on this guy. All right, there we go, first reveal. So we're going to start off here with the starter manual. This is going to give you the basic information you need to get this guy set up. It also has a quick starter guide to kind of give you a rundown here on how to connect it to whatever device you're going to connect it to. I'm just looking here, troubleshooting. Looks like everything is pretty standard. Now this does not have touch. There's no built-in battery, no Bluetooth, and no Wi-Fi to the monitor. So this is going to solely rely on your laptop that you're going to be connecting this to. This is the monitor. We'll come back to that in a second. Let's take a look at what else comes in the box here. So we get a number of cables. We get a USB stick. This may have software or drivers on it, but as you see, we get this nice little metal dual purpose USB thumb drive. You have USB-C on one side, USB-A on the opposite side. That's really nice. All right, we get a 90-degree USB-C cable with the USB on the opposite side and also an adapter built into the cable, and this has our USB-A on here, and this just kind of mounts on top like that if you need this cable. This actually comes with a power brick. I'm very impressed with that because a lot of these do not come with power bricks, as many of you guys probably know. So here is the power brick that you're going to receive with this unit. Really nice. We have a additional cable. This may be an HDMI cable. Not sure yet. Nope. This is a USB-A to USB-C cable. This does have the 90-degree angle as well. So, you know, you get one of those, another one of those. And that's pretty much everything that's in the box. All right, guys, so here we have it. Now, there is a screen protector on this monitor right here. This guy pops open like so. And this is the full extent of it. Really nice material. Let me show you guys the back of this first. So you have this kickstand here on the back, and this is what you're going to use for setting this up with your laptop. You're just going to kind of pop this up. Now there are no graduations. It's just pretty much just tension. You're just going to put it in a position that you want it, and then hopefully that'll stay in place, no problems. You do have these little cutouts right here, and that's for these little rubberized pads, and they just kind of fit in there like so. Really nice. All right, so let's get this completely set up. All right, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to set this up on the desk the normal traditional way, and then again we have that stand in the back. Now this has some significant weight to it, guys, so it depends on how you're going to try to use this. If you're going to have this upright like this, of course you're going to need that stand. So let's see if we can adjust that. And then of course your laptop is then going to add additional weight to the front section here, right? So we have this Windows laptop here, and we can kind of adjust this as we would need it, and we'd have those monitors then connected, okay? So to connect this, we're going to have our multiple cables. Let's go ahead and get everything set up, and I'll show you guys how this works. All right, so we're going to plug in our USB-C here, and then this cable is routed in the back through here. All right, guys, as you can see here now that we have a power source connected to this, the monitors are on. Now, currently this looks like it's mirroring. So this monitor is the same as this monitor here. And then this one over here is an extended monitor. But you can go into your settings and you can set this up pretty much however you want to. It just depends on how you're going to be able to utilize this. And then of course I can drag something over to the additional screen on the opposite side. So now we have video on this screen here, or a website on this, or a browser here. And then of course we could open an additional browser, and we're just going to drag that over back to this unit here, and that's going to give us that dual monitor setup. So we have screen here, same as on the laptop, and then we have an additional screen over here. The refresh rate on here seems to be very quick, very responsive, so that doesn't seem to be a problem. There's a slight delay, but it's not big. Now you do have your menu button here, and you can go in and you can adjust, the brightness, contrast, the sharpness, all of those things here. This is not a touch screen, so you will have to rely on the individual buttons. And each one of these monitors do have their own controls. So each one of them, if you're going to adjust, again, you're going to have to switch over to this side here to make those adjustments. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. Very easy setup, easy to arrange. The layout of this is really nice. It's very adjustable. This will be great, for a home office, man cave, she shed. A lot of flexibility here. Of course, you can kind of adjust the angles of these monitors as needed. So yes, I'm very impressed with this. I think this is going to be a great work solution for a lot of people. So if you're looking for a monitor that you can use in multiple ways, this could be exactly what you're looking for. Now, what I am curious about is, will this work with the Mac? I don't know. I haven't tested that yet, but with the PC, it works, 100% right out of the box, plug and play. You provide connection to your laptop, a power supply, and it's pretty much good to go. Now, if I didn't show you guys where the cables plug in, let me show you here real quick. So the cables plug in right here inside of the frame. You have your OTG connection here, and you have your power connection, and it just plugs right into this metal base back here. Really nice, guys, really nice. So hopefully this video has been helpful to some of you that are interested in a monitor like this, a monitor setup like this. I think this is going to be ideal. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.